Hi, I'm Ngozi, a graduate student in Boise State University. In this video, I'll be talking about statistical inference in recommender system experiment. To do a good recommender system experiment, we look to research to see how that can be done. We found work on how to select evaluation metrics, how to select baselines, and how to split data sets, but we did not find much on how to conduct statistical analysis on our evaluation results. This led us to ask the question, is the RecSys community paying sufficient attention to the choice and use of statistical inference? To answer this question, we conducted a systematic study to assess how statistical techniques are currently being used. We considered only long and short RecSys papers that were published in the year 2019 and 2020. A paper was selected only if it proposed a new or enhanced method and compared its performance to that of a baseline. We selected 111 papers. And out of the papers selected, we found that over half of the papers did not specify a significant test, while a good proportion of those that claim statistical significance did not specify a test. This result shows that there is currently a lack of rigorous analysis and reporting in the evaluation published in RecSys. This needs to be addressed in order to ensure that we are actually going from observed differences in metrics to reliable knowledge. So what do we recommend? As a first step, we propose that researchers report on how they performed inference on their evaluation results. This will enable readers to fully understand the result of their analysis. One limitation with the classical test is its dependence on sample size. This is a challenge with recommender system experiment, where the sample size is in the thousands and millions. This can make them overpowered such that they can detect tiny changes as significant. Therefore, research is needed to identify best practices that account for overpowered experiment as well as other biases. Finally, research is needed to understand how more advanced techniques such as Bayesian inference and mixed effect models can be used to mitigate some of the limitations of the classical test.